Earl spent 1,540 on a sofa. He then spent 1/5 of his remaining money on a vase. He then had 1/4 of his original sum of money left. How much money did Earl have at first? Okay, this one is a little bit complicated, but don't worry. Just draw the model. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to draw the model. Again, we may draw 1, 2, or 3 models, but it doesn't matter. So as you are doing your examination, or if you're a parent watching this, just go ahead and draw as many models as you need. Now, I'm going to draw a very rough one right now. They told me that Earl spent 1,540 on a sofa, and then got some remaining money, right? Okay, I'm going to draw one long bar to signify all the money that he has. Okay, so he spent this much. I do not know how big of this, what's the portion of this long bar represents 1,540, but I don't care. So I'm going to write this. I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to shade it. I'm going to put this as 1,540. Okay. Then they said that he spent 1/5 of his remaining money. Sorry, 1/5 of his remaining money. So this is what? After he spent this much, this is the remaining money, right? Okay. So the remaining money, since he spent 1/5, means that over here got 5 units. So 5 units, I'm going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay, they're quite equal. Okay, so this is the remaining money. I'm going to put here remaining money. Okay, now I'm going to shape this one again, and then I'm going to put this as this is the vase. Now they told us that after he spent 1/5 of the remaining on the vase, he has 4/5 left, right? And this is actually 1/4 of his original sum. This is 1/4 of original. Now I'm going to ask you a question over here. If the remaining, right, is 4 units, and 4 units is only 1/4 of the original, what does it mean? It means that the original has 16 units. Okay, 4 units is 1/4. Total should have 16 units. You must be able to understand this portion. Okay, so if total has 16 units, right, I'm going to draw another model right now, which will make more sense. I'm going to draw 16 units. Okay, I'm going to draw 16 units altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 units, huh? Okay, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. This is the remaining amount. And out of these 5 units, so 1 unit is for the vase, right? So I'm going to draw the same vase. Okay, and this is what he has left. Okay, this is what is left. What does this tell us about the rest? This is what? This is your 1,540. So this 1,540. Okay, you see I'm using the first model, okay, to get more information before I go and draw a second model. Now the second model is a lot more accurate, a lot easier for you to understand. Okay, now how many units represent 1,540? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what? 11 units, arrow 1,540. As per usual, all working, right? Just go and find 1 unit. It will be 1,540 divided by 11. Long division, 1,540 divided by 11. That will give us 1 times 11, 11. 15 minus 11 will be 4. Bring down your 4. 4 times 11 will give us 44. And 44 minus 44 will be 0, 0. 0 times 11 will be 0. So this will be 0. So answer is 140. So 1 unit is 140. Now at this point of time, right, say how much money did Earl have at first? Tada, total unit, right? Remember just now we drew 16 units. So since 1 unit is this, 16 units will be 16 multiplied by 140. So you again use your your multiplication. Okay, 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 4 will be 24. So put over here. Then 1 times 6 will be 6 plus 2, 8, 840. Okay, so this is the first step. Now cancel this one. Second digit, right? Put a 0 here. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 1, 1. Okay, add these two up together. 0 plus 0, 4 plus 0, sorry, it's 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. So it's 2, 2, 4, 0. Okay, so done. Always remember, draw the model. Don't be afraid to draw the model. Don't be afraid to draw a rough model before you draw the true model. It's perfectly fine. Okay, not every single time, right, you have to draw the model correct on the first try. Okay, don't be so stressed out. Okay, done.